Air travel. For many, it's a routine part of life. But for those at the controls, each takeoff is a symphony of precision, a delicate dance with physics and engineering. As the plane accelerates down the runway, anticipation builds. The engines roar, passengers feel the rumble in their chests. And then there's V1. This is the point of no return, the speed at which a pilot must decide, continue the takeoff or abort. V1 isn't just a random number, it's carefully calculated before each takeoff, factoring in weight, runway length, weather conditions and more. V1 represents the critical speed. Below V1, the plane can safely stop on the remaining runway. Above V1 there's no turning back. The takeoff must continue even if an emergency arises. Imagine this, you're hurtling down the runway at 150 miles per hour. Suddenly an alarm sounds, a warning light flashes. Engine failure, a tire blowout. At V1, a pilot has mere seconds to process information, assess the situation, and make a life-or-death decision. It's a testament to their training, experience, and composure under pressure. V1 is a critical safety measure, a product of countless hours of research and engineering. It allows pilots to make informed decisions in high-pressure situations, ensuring the safety of everyone on board. So the next time you're on a plane, remember V1? It's a silent guardian, a testament to the precision and skill that make air travel possible.